Guys, I'm here to tell you a secret. Australians eat leather jacket. Why do they eat them? Are they actually tasty? See, I as an immigrant didn't like to have unknown food because I could be sick. So I was looking for the stories behind this. I opened my laptop and I started to search. And it has blown my mind when I found about this food. Leather jacket is the name of a sea fish in Australia. And this fish has many names. In some countries, people call it filefish. In China, people call this Chinaman leather jacket. It has thick, tough, leathery skin with no scales on, and its skin can be peeled off like we open our jackets. That in the past, people took the skin of those fish and they dried skin under the sun. Then the dried skin were used to polish wooden boats. You could even sharp a knife with its skin. Although this fish looks different to any other round fish, and this rabbit of the sea wouldn't win any beauty contest, but it is so delicious. By the time you buy this fish from your fishmonger, its jacket has been taken off and head removed. So you just bring it home and cook. You can bake this in the oven, pan fry, steam or deep fry, or make curry with this fish. Leather jacket is not pretty, but it is super tasty.